This is example 6 of lesson 8D, our logic unit. And we're going to create a truth table for this question. So we're going to first work on this symbol, which represents the negation of Q. So that'll be our third column, Q and a negation. So we look at column 2 and we're going to negate them. So if this is true, the opposite would be false. If this is false, the opposite would be true. If this is true, the opposite is false. If this is false, the opposite is true. All right. Now we're going to put these two pieces together. This is considered, that symbol is an equivalence. An equivalence is an if and only if statement. So let's go back to our formula packet that's in our notes here, 2 slides earlier, and look at our equivalence. So here's our equivalence column. There's our symbol notation. It's true when P and Q are the same. So if we look at column 1 and 2, those are both true. They're both the same, so it's true. These are both false, so it is true. And then the column or row 2 and 3 are not the same truth values, so it's considered false. All right, so here we go. Go back to example 6. P equivalence, not Q. So we're going to be looking at column 1, truth values, and column 3, truth values. And we're looking for them to be the same truth values. So that means both false or both true. So we look at that truth value and this one, they are both true. So your final answer is truth. Row 2 is done. I go to row 3. Notice that those are both false. So your truth value is true. All right. Head back to row 1. This is true and this is false. So they're not the same. So your truth value is false. These are not the same in row 4. So it is false. So these are your truth values for that question E.